Hey guys, this is Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this eye look. I did this a couple days back. I did post a picture on my Instagram and Twitter and you guys were so thirsty for this look. I thought it was like a very simple look for me, but you guys actually really wanted to see this, so I thought, why not just film a tutorial for you guys, let you guys know how freaking easy it is. Before we jump into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate every one of you guys that is subscribed and supporting me constantly. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so I just zoomed in really close just so you guys could see everything. And the first shade I'm going to be applying is a yellow shade. For that, I'm using the Subculture palette by Anastasia. And I'm going to be dipping into this color. It's called Edge. I just want like a nice yellow so we could have that gradient effect from yellow to deep orange. And for that, I'm using the Morphe E27 brush. And I want to put this on the very top of the crease, just so we can really see that gradient effect. Next shade, I'm going with this orangey light shade. I don't know if it's coming out. It's coming out kind of yellow on my camera. Hopefully it doesn't look yellow. But this shade is like a light orange. This is called New Wave, also from the Subculture palette. And I'm going to be building that just underneath the yellow with this really small blending brush. It actually came with this palette, but you can just use a nice detailing brush for this. So for the deeper orange shades, I'm going in with the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm basically going to be using all of these colors from lightest to darkest with the same brush. I just really like this brush, and I don't see a point of using like different brushes for every color. So I'm going to use probably actually this one right here first, and then this one, and then that one, and then finally this darker shade. Now, because I really want like a super deep, almost dark red orange color, I'm using my Saharan Palette by Juvia's Place, and I think I want to use this really intense reddish orange color right where the crease is going to be cut. I'm using this little tiny one. This is another one by Morphe. It's the M507. Now it's time to cut the crease. For this, you can actually go ahead and skip the concealer part and just do eyeshadow, but I find that for me, it's just a lot easier to go ahead and cut the crease with some concealer and then add the color. And it also, I think that it makes it a lot more vibrant, so I'm going to be doing just that. So this is what you should have. I just want to mention that I don't cut my crease all the way. It's just a preference. I think that it looks a little bit more flattering on my eyes this way. But if you want to go ahead and cut your entire crease, you totally can. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and add the foil eyeshadow, and the one that I chose is another shade from the Saharan Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be using this shade. This is MuddyBody, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I'm just going right on top of the concealer. Okay, so this is what your shadow should look like at the moment. I just want to go ahead and blend in between the yellow and where the orange is, just so it can look a little bit more clean. I'm going to be using that same eyeshadow and just packing up like the 2 to 3 darkest orange shades for this. So So now that I've done that, a trick to make your cut crease stand out a lot more or just clean it up is to use one of these like eyebrow brushes and going into the deep orange shade and just deepening up that cut crease. It'll just make it look cleaner, more crisp, and it'll make it stand out a lot more. For the inner corner, I just used a shade from the Subculture palette, and it is this one, the electric one. Okay, now it's time for lashes. The lashes that I used in my picture were from DodoLashes. I love those lashes. They were just, I think that when I opened my eyes, you couldn't really see all the details. So for today, I am using these. I don't have the box because I'm disgusting. These are just the Flutter lashes. I think that they're from Makeup Shayla, the Isolate lashes. After I've popped on my lashes, I go ahead and use just like a very dark eyeshadow, like this one. This is just like a super matte black shadow, and I grab, where's my brush? Where's my brush? I grab a little tiny defining brush like this. This is the Morphe G21. I dip it just slightly, and I go ahead and just blend the top of the eyelash just so it doesn't look like plasticky. It's gonna look a lot more natural this way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my face off camera, and I will be right back. And this is a completed look. I really am like, I am living for this look, especially with the yellow shirt. And once everything is all put together, I am in love with this cut crease. You can totally do this with a bunch of color combinations, pinks, purples, blues, whatever it may be. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that I used today will be linked down below, so go ahead and check that out. If you guys want to purchase anything down below, go ahead and check it out. It makes it so much easier for you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment on any looks that you want to see next, or just any type of videos that you guys want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.